I wanted to show you a little how my windmill's working so far. So far today I've taken a log from 8:45 to 10 o'clock, and I've lost about 4/100 of a volt. See, she's holding around 5, swinging 10-ish. Let me see if I can hit a light for you here. Now, it won't turn. Settled back down. Got a 800 watt power inverter running a little light. And my TV right now, I'm got an estimated 170 watt usage right now. And I'm holding, it's up 12:30-ish. Let me show you how things are looking outside. I started in here talking to you because I don't believe you're going to be able to hear my voice over the wind out there. You know how wind is on the camera. But let me show you what the windmill looks like today. My guy wires here, that's all new. I extended my pole up. I'm right at 30 foot now. Everything seems to be working good. The power comes in from this cable here, comes right down, turns up, goes in my box. I've got a switch here for the dump load. When that's off the battery, now the windmill's got to spin somewhere. So this is my dump load. That heat's here. And it's got a fan. When it starts dumping, it's holding about 5 amps there on the dump load, about 7. The dump load starts heating up, glowing enough where you can see it. I'm going to go back to batteries though, because I'm using off of it right now. But she's holding me steady, about the same volts, and I'm using 170 watts estimated. A heavy day. Alright, well I just wanted to update y'all, dudes. God's love. I'm going to hit the off button.